Are you a beginner in the business world and looking for some guidance? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sure to set you up for success: the top 10 business tips for beginners. We'll be exploring everything from understanding your market to believing in yourself. Each tip is designed to equip you with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the world of business with ease. So, buckle up as we count down the top 10 tips for business beginners. Starting at number 10, understand your market. It's not just about having a great product or service. You need to know who your customers are, what they want, and how they like to buy. It's crucial to understand the trends and dynamics of the market you're in. A thorough understanding can help you anticipate changes, identify opportunities, and make informed decisions. It's the foundation of a successful business strategy. So, dive deep, do your research, and understand your market. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your market. Moving on to number 9, create a solid business plan. This is crucial, darling. Your business plan is more than just a document. It's a reflection of your ambition, your strategy, your commitment. It outlines your objectives and the steps you plan to take to achieve them. It's the compass guiding you through the unpredictable world of business. Remember, a vague or non-existent business plan is like setting sail without a map. A well-defined business plan is your roadmap to success. At number 8, we have network, network, network. Just as a pearl diver plunges into the ocean in search of treasure, so too must you dive into the sea of opportunities that networking provides. New leads, collaborations, partnerships, mentors, knowledge, these are the treasures that await. By fostering connections and maintaining relationships, you're laying the groundwork for success. Whether it's a casual coffee chat or a formal business meeting, seize every opportunity to expand your network. Your network is your net worth, never forget that. Coming in at number 7, stay organized. Organization is not just about neatness, it's the lifeblood of efficiency and productivity. When you keep your business well organized, you streamline your operations, making every task more manageable. It helps you keep track of your goals, manage your time effectively, and avoid unnecessary hiccups. It's like having a clear roadmap to your destination, and who wouldn't want that? Remember, a cluttered business is a breeding ground for stress and confusion. Staying organized is staying in control. At number 6, prioritize customer service. Nothing propels business growth quite like excellent customer service. It's the secret sauce that keeps customers coming back for more. Think about it. When customers feel valued and appreciated, they develop loyalty towards your business. This loyalty translates into repeated sales and, better yet, referrals. And remember, a satisfied customer is the best business card. So invest in training your team to provide top-notch service. Good customer service is the best business strategy. Halfway through at number 5, be adaptable. Imagine your business venture as a river, constantly flowing, twisting, and turning. It's essential to be like water, adjusting your course as the landscape changes. This environment is ever evolving, with new technologies, market trends, and customer preferences emerging daily. Being adaptable means staying relevant, seizing opportunities, and navigating challenges. It's about being resilient, innovative, and proactive. Remember, just as a river carves its path, you too can shape your business destiny. In business, adaptability equals survivability. Coming in at number 4, stay focused. In the bustling world of business, distractions are many and focus can be fleeting. But remember, maintaining a laser-like focus on your goals is essential. It's like steering a ship. Without focus, your business is like a vessel adrift, susceptible to the whims of the tide. Stay focused, keep your eyes on the prize, and remember to steer your ship towards success. Don't let fleeting distractions capsize your hard work. Focus is the key to success. At number 3, understand your competitors. To flourish in the business world, you need to be aware of the other players in the game. It's not just about knowing their names, but also their strategies, strengths, and weaknesses. Savvy entrepreneurs see their competitors as a rich source of learning. They study their competitors' successes to replicate and their failures to avoid. Knowledge is power, and in the business arena, understanding your competitors gives you a strategic advantage. To be the best, you must understand the rest. Almost there at number 2, never stop learning. In the ever-evolving world of business, knowledge is your greatest asset. It's not just about mastering your trade, but understanding the shifts in market trends, technological advancements, and customer behavior. Embrace the mindset of lifelong learning. Read, enroll in courses, attend seminars and webinars. Engage in meaningful conversations and never shy away from asking questions. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to learn, so keep those gears turning, keep growing, keep evolving. In business, the learning never stops. And finally, at number 1, believe in yourself. The most critical step on your journey to business success is having faith in your abilities. Doubt is a dream killer, and it can stifle creativity and innovation. Your belief in yourself is the foundation for all great accomplishments. It's the fuel that keeps you moving forward, even when the road gets challenging. Don't let self-doubt hold you back. Believe in yourself, and the rest will fall into place. And that wraps up our top 10 business tips for beginners. We've journeyed through understanding your market, creating a solid business plan, the power of networking, staying organized, prioritizing customer service, being adaptable, staying focused, understanding your competitors, never stopping your learning, and believing in yourself. These are your stepping stones to success. Use them wisely. Remember, every business journey begins with a single step. Take yours today.